Hey everyone! Today let's explore a term you've probably heard before, and that is e-commerce. It's a big part of affiliate marketing, so let's break it down. What is e-commerce? E-commerce, short for electronic commerce, refers to buying and selling products or services online. It's like a digital version of a traditional store where customers can shop from the comfort of their homes or on the go. This can include everything from physical products like clothing or gadgets to digital items like ebooks, courses, or software. How does e-commerce tie into affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing and e-commerce go hand in hand. Many e-commerce businesses use affiliate programs to promote their products. As an affiliate marketer, you recommend these products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your affiliate link. For example, if you join an affiliate program for an online retailer like Amazon, you can promote their products on your blog, YouTube channel, or social media. When someone clicks your affiliate link and make a purchase, you earn a percentage of the sale. Why is this important? If you're thinking about leaving your 9-to-5 job or starting a side hustle, e-commerce offers a huge range of products to promote. It's a growing industry, and as more people shop online, the potential to earn through affiliate marketing keeps expanding. Quick tip: when choosing e-commerce products to promote, focus on items that align with your niche and audience. This increases the chances of conversions and builds trust with your followers. So that's the scoop on e-commerce. It's the backbone of affiliate marketing and a great way to create a flexible income stream. If you're serious about starting an online business, learning about e-commerce and affiliate marketing is a must. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips and insights to help you on your journey. See you in the next one.